So today in this video we shall learn to find the GCF of HCF of 30 and 36, and here we shall find out GCF of HCF by two methods. First one by prime factorization method and second one by division method. So let's find out GCF of HCF of 30 and 36 by prime factorization method. So while finding out GCF of HCF by prime factorization method, first of all we have to find out the prime factors of given numbers. So we have numbers are 30 and 36. Let's find out the prime factors of 30. So it is 2 times 15 means 30, like as 3 times 5 means 15 and 5 times 1 means 50. 5 times 1 is 5. So in the same way we can find out the prime factors of 36. So it is 2 times 18 means 36, like as 2 times 9 means 18, like as 3 times 3 means 9 and 3 times 1 means 3. So as you look here, we have find out the prime factors of 30 and 36. So from these prime factors we can write 30 is equal to, from here it is 2 times 3 times 5. In the same way we can write 36 is equal to, from here it is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So we have written the prime factors of 30 and 36. So now we find out common factors in these prime factors. So here is 2 and here is also 2. So 2 is our first common factor, like as here is 3 and here is also 3. So 3 is our common factor, and here is 5 and here is 2, 3, which are non-common factors. So as you know, we are finding here GCF of HCF. So GCF of HCF is the product of all common factors only. So we have common factors are 2 times 3. So now we have to find out the product of these common factors. So it is 2 times 3 means it is 6. So 6 is the product of common factors. Therefore 6 is the GCF of HCF of 30 and 36. So in this way we can find out GCF of HCF by prime factorization method. So now we shall find out GCF of HCF of 30 and 36 by division method. So while finding out GCF of HCF by division method, we have to divide the greater number, which is 36, with the lesser number, which is 30. So it is 30 times 1 means it is 30. So 36 minus 30 means it is 6. So now here we have remainder 5. And while finding GCF of HCF by division method, we have to keep dividing the divisor with remainder until there is no remainder at last. So here is remainder 5 means we have to divide the divisor 30 with 6. So it is 6 divides 30. So it is 6 times 5 means it is equal to 30. So at last we have here no remainder. So at last we have no remainder, and the divisor 6 is taking no remainder here. So 6 becomes the GCF of HCF. So while finding out GCF of HCF by division method, first of all we have to divide the greater number with the lesser number, and while dividing, if the remainder comes, then we have to divide again the divisor, which is 30 with the remainder 6. So 6 times 5 means 30, which is taking no remainder at last. So it becomes the GCF of HCF. Therefore we can write GCF of HCF is equal to 6, because 6 is taking no remainder here. So in this way we can find out GCF of HCF by division method. So this much for today, and if you have any question from math, then just comment your question in a comment below and we shall provide a video solution of your question. So thank you.